Oh. So I got up on my legs, grabbed my favorite Kukirin and threw it in my backpack. I headed to the airport. I had some problems with the security, but just got on my flight, and at some point I thought the scooter in my backpack will be faster. So I ripped the plane door and jumped out on my scooter. A bear was waiting for me down there. What a loser. I basically took 0 fall damage. I went full speed for as long as the battery lasted, and I arrived before the plane. How cool is that? Next step was to head to the Kukirin factory. When I got there, I couldn't believe my eyes. It finally happened. I was standing in the main hall surrounded by scooters and Chinese workers, right where the assembly was taking place. You really thought I went to the Kukirin factory? Now, jokes aside, I really wish I had the chance to actually be there. At least we get to see some nice footage from the factory, right? What we are looking at here is the assembly process of the Kukirin G2 Master. I also managed to get some top secret intel about the scooters coming to market in 2025. If you want to know, let me know in the comments what scooter you think they are working on, and I will confirm if you are right or wrong. I still can't get over how cute the workers' uniform is. Anyway, moving on. I bet it's pretty challenging for them to do this every single day, but at least they make sure everything is in place and ready to rock. Sometimes I imagine how cool it will be to actually get in there and build my own scooter. Obviously that will be the dual motor G4. It's all over the place now for some reason. How about you? What would you do if you had the chance to visit this factory? Okay, so let's have a look inside. I'm going to open this thing up. I really hope to not see any kind of rust in this thing. Okay, that's a really small battery. Just look at it. It's 2 of my hands. I can tell that the controller has a lot of thermal paste. Wow, there is no rust whatsoever. Those are really good news. Look at it. It's perfectly clean in there. I guess the sealing on the G2 Master is really good. I also never washed it at the car wash. You should not do that. Just because your scooter is still working, that doesn't mean you are not placing water inside of it. Don't do that. Just use a wet sponge. Trust me, it is better that way. You don't really want your house to burn. Also, it is better for you to open your scooter and check if there is any kind of water. I still can't believe how small this battery is. Also, the controller is really not big. And that's crazy because it is extremely powerful. Putting everything back together is really easy. It is the same exact process but backwards. First you put the battery in, put those cables in place, this little thing that prevents it from wiggling, and the big one. Just like that. Don't forget about those two that come up on the battery. And now the last piece, the cover. That's it right there. For real, this scooter looks crazy. Those lights are so fancy. By far not as cool as the ones on the G4 Max, but damn. They nailed it. I actually can't believe that this scooter came all the way from China and Chinese people assembled it. We are back on the streets and I am so happy to ride again the G2 Master. It's been a while now. We are taking it out in 0 degrees and I'm really curious to see, will it survive? Firstly, we need to add some pressure in the tires. Man, it is so cold. If I'm going 50 kilometers an hour, my hands are freezing instantly. Funny because even though the G2 Master is such a small scooter, I mean, it has so much power. The dual motors really have a word to say. I remember some of you guys asked me, how are the Kukirin gloves? Do they hold better in cold situations? And yeah, they do. They're not really bad. But if you really want to not feel the cold whatsoever, you actually need some serious gloves out there. Oh, I remembered. Happy New Year to everyone. Wish you the best 2025 ever. I really hope 2025 will be some of the best years you ever had. Did you guys had any crazy fireworks or something like that? In my city, it was so hazy. I couldn't see anything. Let's do a quick pull right here. Come on. 20, 30, 40. Come on, let's go. 50 kilometers an hour. Come on, let's go to 60. Come on. 60. I think we hit it. The thing is that I am really heavy and I don't think the cold weather is helping at all. Also, do you guys have any idea how to fix the foggy visor? I can't see What in the world is this? It's doing a really weird sound. Can you guys hear this? Yeah, that's me. What is this sound? Is it like a generator or something? I have no idea. Yo, doggo. 2025. Can you believe that? No, but like for real, this sound is creeping me out. I think this thing is lighting up in the nighttime. Interesting. Here you have the J2 Master. Oh my god. That thing looks so creepy, man. I've been observing people and they've got comfortable. Is it cold outside? Nah, I'm going to pass. It is getting harder and harder to get out of the comfort zone. For those of you who are still watching, would you guys like me to do a live stream where we are just going to play some games? Multiplayer maybe or something like that. You know, the reason why one day is foggy and one day is sunny is because I recorded this video in 2 separate days. Just because I messed up my settings in the first day. And you can tell how nice the ultra wide is compared to the standard lens. I mean, come on, you can see everything around me. I don't know if you can see how steep this ramp is. It will be like 25 to 30 degrees incline, and just look how easy this scooter climbs it. I mean, come on. Just look at this. Wow. The J2 Master has so much power. And welcome to my favorite place in... Oh, oh. Whoa, 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 whoa. That's black ice right there. As I was saying, welcome to my favorite place in the entire city. Wow. Thank you guys for creating this community. You're the best people in the world. What do you guys think about this view? I kinda like it. Please, let me know in the comments what you guys want to see on this channel this year. I'm getting started and I'm also getting out of ideas. So be creative. Unleash the craziest ideas you ever had in your life. Look at this, the scooter is just... That's how good the handling is on ice, so be careful, guys. Don't get out there if the road is slippery. Not gonna lie, riding in this parking lot is so fun for some reason. Sorry, brother. Bro, what is this thing? Am I looking at a bike with a surron seat or a motorcycle seat? Romanian people are getting crazy creative. I mean, just look at this. This guy is crazy. Wow. I never seen anything like this before. Not gonna lie. What do you guys think about this thing? That trim is so fancy. We still have some really old ones that are still working somehow. Bro, what are they doing? I really hope for this community this year to get up to 10k subscribers, so you know what you have to do. Let's get big. I'm not giving up on this channel until we hit 1 million people. That's my dream. I think that's doable. Yo, this guy has such a cool bike. Am I weird for just following him? Come on, boy. Go faster. He has a motorized bike with gas and all that. That's such a cool setup. It is just that he's not speeding at all. He's going crazy slow. Bro, this guy is so funny. All this struggle to create such a cool bike and he's going 15 kilometers an hour. I'm just too nervous to ask him to go faster. You know what's funny? I've been following this guy for like 1 kilometer and he didn't notice me. I have only one friend that converted his bike that way. And I know for a fact that it is a real struggle to actually do this because there are a lot of problems that come up. It's not like a scooter where there is no maintenance and all that. It is an entire process to get that thing running. I can't help myself, guys. I consider this guy being so funny for some reason. And he's also really creative for doing this. How old is he? I bet this guy is 100 years old or something like that. I feel like he's just riding his bike in neutral. You know, that moment where you just release the clutch and you don't give it any gas whatsoever. That's what he's doing right now. You know what? I start to believe that this guy is riding his bicycle for fun. He's not heading anywhere. He's just circling. Well, that's bye-bye for you, guy. Nice! I don't know why cars come up with stock mirrors. I mean, people don't use them. Why not invest that money into a more powerful engine? Another stupid invention? Blinkers? I mean, who is using those? I never saw a BMW guy using turn signals. If you did, let me know in the comments because, come on. Yo! This scooter has the same exact power as the G3 Pro. I want to thank you guys so much for watching till the end of this video. You are absolutely amazing! Stay tuned.